Hello everyone. This is a demo for the Select Matching Layers Figma plugin. This is a simple plugin that allows you to select multiple components of the same type, either on the same page or multi-page. So here I've already triggered the plugin. By default, it doesn't have any selection. To get started, you need to go ahead and select the exact layer that you want to find. So in this case, I want to find checkbox. It also shows what type of component it is and the enclosing frame within which the search will be performed. In this case, it's example 1, but you can simply also manually select something else. I'll go ahead and search the layers, and as soon as you do that, you can see that all the checkboxes are now selected within the same frame. But in this case, you can also scope it down. So for example, what if I only want to search for checkboxes within the transactions frame? So similarly, I can go ahead, select the checkbox, simply change the frame that I want to select within, and select all layers. And now it only selects all the checkboxes within the selected frame that you entered. This is really powerful because it allows you to quickly go ahead and modify different states or even modify the component if you need to. Let's look at another example. In this case, we will combine it with the Figma feature of selecting matching layers and see how it can go across different screens. One of the power of this component is you can also toggle if you want to select hidden layers or not. So in this case, if I want to modify the badges, I can go ahead and say I want to select hidden layers. By default, it already picked up on the scope of the frame. Once you hit select layers, as you can see, it selected the visible ones, but also the hidden ones. And when you combine it with the Figma matching layers, now you can go across different screens and then make any modifications that you need to the component states. This works for most of the component types, including text, images, scene notes, and more. I hope this saves you time and you get to play with it. Thank you.